Okay, here we go. I am stupid. One winner. 41 winner. I eat losers for dinner. Damn! I am lightning.
Hey, Lightning, you ready?
Can you shut up?
Hey, Lightning, you ready?
Shut up! Oh, yeah.
I'm American made, I'm American. My mama taught American made, but serving right. Sometimes I'm American off a big mouth when I see something that I don't like.
Oh, that's nasty.
Yeah!
Listen, I'm gonna cut the chase.
We've been driving this long day somewhere behind. Everybody's looking for a way to get rid. Come on now.
Get your antenna off! You got that right, Slick!
Not today, asshole.
We're midway through what may turn out to be an historic day for racing.
If this gets any more exciting, they're gonna have to tow me out of the...
Right you are, Darryl. The rookie sensation came into the season unknown, but no.
Will he be the first rookie to win a Piston Cup and Anaco?
I don't know.
We need tires now. Come on, let's go.
No tires, just gas!
You need tires.
Ass a-hole.
Checkered flag, here I come. That's what I'm talking about! Oh no! McQueen is blowing a tire!
Can he make it?
The asshole.
Oh my God! He's lost another tire! The King and Chick are coming!
They're entering turn 3. The King and Chick rounding turn 4.
And down the stretch they come, and it's...
It's too close to call.
I don't believe it!
Close to call.
Oh my God!
Hey, get tied! I don't want to... Come on, let's go. Come on, Max, saddle up. What'd you do with my trailer? I tied it over your sponsor's tit. What? No. Yes! Lightning McQueen here, and I use Rusty's medicated Rusty's bumper ointment, new rear end formula. Nothing sues a rusty bumper like you two. Nothing sues a rusty bumper like Rusty's. Wow! Look at that shine. Use Rusty's and look like me too. Ka-check!
Later.
Give me a little room, guys.
You're my hero, Mr. McQueen.
Yeah, right, thank
He
you.
knows my name. He knows my name.
You're not Mac.
Huh?
You're not Mac.
Mac? I ain't no Mac. I'm a moron.
Can you shut the fuck up?
Every third blink is slower.
Huh?
What's up?
Oh boy. Oh, where am I?
What's
Boy, I was wondering when you was gonna wake up.
Just hurt me.
I like you already. My name's Mater.
Huh?
Tomater,
Huh?
tomater,
Huh?
but without the tub.
Huh?
What's your name?
My name
Is your name?
No! Blowtorch to you, man!
You blocking the road! You got about the car! Are you kidding me?
Are you kidding me?
Officer, talk to me, babe. How long is this gonna take? I gotta get to babe Toronto.
Where's your lawyer?
I don't know.
When a defendant has no lawyer, the court will be his lawyer. All rise.
Show off.
May Doc have mercy on your soul.
All right, I want to know who's responsible for wrecking my town, Sheriff. I want a platter. I'm gonna put him on a platter. I'm gonna put rots on top of him, and then I'm gonna rots on top of him, and then I'm gonna move him to a new jail and let that jail platter. Throw him out of here, Sheriff. I want him out of my courtroom. I want him out of our case dismissed.
Yes!
Sorry I'm late, Your Honor.
Holy Portia. She's gotta be from office. Hey, thanks for coming, but we're all set. All you have to do now is stand there and eat breakfast. Listen, I'm gonna cut to the chase. Dinner. Oh, I'm sorry. Did I scare you?
Who the hell cares?
I'm gonna go talk to the judge.
Careful, folks around here are not firing on all cylinders.
Whatever,
we were never good together.
she just like a body. Are you kidding me?
Doc, you look great this morning. Did you do something different with your side view mirror?
No.
What the hell?
Hook him up later.
Okie dokie.
I hate you no matter what.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Goodbye, Mater.
He's done!
Done.
Done! I'm the first one on the new road!
It looks awful.
Nobody cares.
I'm not doing this.
Oh, come on, you'll love it. I swear, so dumb.